Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to close all the tabs on your Android phone. So if your browser is packed with too many open tabs and starting to feel messy, follow along step by step to clean everything up fast. All right, let's dive in. If you're using Google Chrome, open the Chrome app on your phone. At the top of the screen, you'll see a small number icon. This shows how many tabs you currently have open. Tap on it to view all your tabs. From here, you can close tabs one at a time by tapping the little X in the corner of each tab. You can also swipe tabs to the side to quickly remove them. But if you have way too many tabs open and want to clear everything instantly, tap the three dots in the top corner. Then select Close All Tabs. This will remove every open tab and completely close Chrome, so the next time you open it, you'll be starting fresh. Now, if you only want to close certain tabs while keeping others open, there's another useful option. Tap on Select Tabs, then choose the tabs you want to remove. After that, tap the three dots again and select Close Tabs. This lets you clean up your browser without losing the important tabs you still need. If you're using a different browser, the steps may look a little different, but the process is usually the same. That's it. That's the fastest way to close all your browser tabs on Android and keep your phone a little more organized. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and helpful videos.